this video, I'll be explaining a Java program for file handling where we reverse the words from a file using both character streams and byte streams. So this program basically demonstrates how to read and write data from files using two different methods in Java. One using character streams like file reader and file writer, and another byte streams like file input and file stream. So let's see how the program works. First we will run the file. So it asks, when we run the file, it asks for an input file name, for example story.txt, and our file name is story.txt, so I'll just put story.txt. And then this file contains the text we want to process. I'll press enter, and then it asks for an output file name, for example reverse.story. So as you want to reverse the contents in the file story.txt, we'll just put reverse, the same thing, reverse story.txt. Press enter. So as it shows, the process is complete, which is the sign of success. The program performs two operations. It uses the character stream and one uses the byte stream to write the reversed version of the file into separate files. It also prints the current working directory, so we know the output files are created. So the main logic is inside the method, which is reversed, which is reverse each word. So in reverse each word, this basically reverses the text. This function takes each line from the file, splits it into words, reverses every word individually, and then writes them back into the same folder. So over here, if the input, we will give an input. This is the input that I have given. Hello, my name is Rachel and I like chocolate. So over here it has already created a file which is byte reversed. So in this file it reverses the text that I have put in this file. Let's check it out. As you can see, all of the text is reversed. So in the character stream method, we use file input stream and file output stream, which work directly with the bytes, which is very useful for handling binary data or images, and it can also be used for text. So one of the character stream, for example reverse story.txt, and one for the byte stream, for example byte underscore revert. Both files contain the same reversed word and output. So this project demonstrates how to use character and byte streams in Java for file input and output operations. It's a simple and very clear example of how Java handles text processing efficiently. This is the public, this is the class name where it is the same name as the class. Over here we are importing the libraries, and a package is named as experiment number 9. So over here we get to enter the file name, output file name, and next if it is successful, over here we will print processing complete to show that our program is executed successfully. So finally we will use a while loop where we will write where the word is taken as input and it is finally reversed, and then in the end it creates a new file that is byte reverse, where we can see the reversed text from the story.txt file. Thank you.